everyone.
Hi everyone.
Well, welcome back to Dog and Partridge. If you haven't met him before, he's got his foot hard on the accelerator, not running from the cops or going towards them. And he won't be saying, "Get me out of here" anytime soon. It's world famous. Alan Partridge.
It's my brewmaster brother, Dave Partridge. He's out of breath now after doing that. Cops? What about cops? I haven't done anything against any cops.
Cops 27, 22, whatever it is. World Extinction. World Con, something it's called, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the one. Moving swiftly on.
World's biggest con. Anyway, I can't remember what it's called exactly. There's some more good news I've got to tell you about 2024, bro.
I know what it is.
What is it?
It's Trump.
What do you mean it's Trump? How did you know I was going to say that?
Oh, dear, it's Trump, isn't it? That's all he cares about. It's Trump, isn't it? Anyway,
you don't want to kill the world's best American president?
I'm not going to say that on. No, I'm not going to say that on film. We have the black helicopters over if we do that.
Right, let's stop talking about rubbish. On about rubbish.
We'll do that a bit later in the video.
Let's talk about beer.
Beer.
That's what we're here for, talk about
It is
beer.
indeed.
I brew beer kits.
We review them and we tell you what they're like.
Yeah. And today, bro, we're going to start with a full range of beers across the bar, but we're going to start with a one-tin kit.
Oh, now then, one tin kit. Oh, misses. Right then. So this is Burton Bridge Brewery, the extra strong bitter.
Yeah.
Made to the original brewer recipe.
Oh.
Makes 30 pints.
Recipe.
Burton Bridge beer kit instructions. Burton Bridge Brewery takes its name from Burton Bridge. Hey, they're good these guys, aren't they?
It took its name from anywhere else then, would it really?
Situated 17th century goose ear, blah, 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 blah. Enough of that.
Enough of that.
So, one tin kit.
Yes, basically dissolve it in boiling water.
Okie dokie.
You can either have the sugar or you can have a malt extract like I did, or Spain.
And that's the announcer, isn't it? Sort of thing. Okie dokie. Right. Cost wise, do we know?
Fairly cheap, about 18 quid, 15 quid, something like
Okay.
that. Obviously, you need an answer to go with it. Or
Okay,
sugar.
Right.
And there you go. There you go.
Well,
Brown bitter.
It's does what it says on the tin. It's a brown bitter. It's a little bit cloudy. That could be a mix of temperatures we're getting here in the good old bit. Hello. What's up, brown?
No, I don't think you'll like that.
Have you already tasted it?
No, I smelt it.
Oh. Oh.
It's pretty foul, isn't it? I'm not really getting like that.
You know at beer festivals, when you buy a beer you're not overly keen of,
You gotta know before
and you kind of just tip it onto the grass. Could we have a bit of square grass in here?
Oh, we're going to need it for this one.
That is, it's not a beer smell, is it? It's like a
Sugar and malt.
molasses and
It smells like, what's it smell like, bro? One of those.
Almost like a beet factory, sugar beet factory.
It smells like one of those old-fashioned beer kits you used to get from Boots.
Yes,
back in
it
the
does.
day.
When we were kids, and when Dad probably did a few beer kits back in the 70s or so, it's. Oh, I'm definitely getting a whiff of that. Oh, it could be reminiscent.
It could be reminiscent. It could taste nice. You never know.
Let's go in. Oh. I'm just going to get the coat. Oh.
Basically, get a tin of sugar, add some treacle to it, and then drink it.
And what you've done is ruin a bag of sugar. That is not nice.
That's drain cleaner.
It is, and it's almost an offence to put it into the drain. Poor drain. I'd say it's actually undrinkable.
I think I agree with you, and I don't think it's worth a mark.
I wouldn't like to give that a mark because it's not beer. It's not drinkable.
It's sweet. It's malty. It's damn right disgusting. They shouldn't be allowed to make beer kits. Basically, yeah. And if you're thinking of going out there and you're thinking of like having home because it's a cheap hobby, and it is a cheap hobby.
It can be, yeah.
And you're going for a cheap beer kit, don't.
Don't, because for a few pounds more, you can have a kit that's exponentially better than that one.
And a few pence more per pint. Probably the difference between this pint and a real good beer kit, a premium range beer kit, is probably about 30-35p per pint. Come on, it's 4 quid in the pubs. Come on.
Going up and all, it's going up.
Just pay that little bit extra and have something you're going to drink.
Don't
and not do homebrew again, because that's what's going to happen. If you buy that, you're not going to do homebrew again.
You're going to go, oh, it hasn't changed. Hasn't it changed in the last 30 or 40 years? It tastes like it used to. Well, that's not a good example.
That's not a good example, Brad.
Shall we move on and see if we can find a good example, Brad?
I think we need to, don't you?
Yes, I do. Right then, shall we go to the next one over here?
Yes.
Which is, I believe, this is, well, we bought it from Brewday. This is Lenton Lane Brewery Chocolate Mild, 5.4. What was you saying about these guys from the Lenton Lane?
Oh yeah, so the guys from Lenton Lane originally started off in the back of a pub, brewing beer for the pub, I think, and then they expanded into a 10 BBL.
Oh yes, it says on here, yeah.
And then obviously they've collabed up with Brewday, given the recipe.
John and Dave.
Who?
John and Dave.
Is he really?
It's John and Dave.
John and Dave. All right, John and Dave.
They've gone from strength to strength, starting after brewing Derby City Centre.
Yeah.
Well, there you go. Flat beyond the Flower Pot Pub.
All right, there.
Chocolate malt. Yeah, it's not a. Oh, sure. I was going to say there's not a lot of hops in this one by the looks of it.
No, there is not going to be in the mild, is there?
No.
A mild is normally fairly low ABV, but this one's 5.
I was going to say it's quite strong for a mild, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now, that certainly looks like a mild.
It does look like a mild. There's a nice red tinge into the background of the blackness.
Quite a little bit of a cling to the glass as well. It's got a nice smoothness to that, isn't
Oh,
it?
isn't there just?
Right.
Look at that. Look at it clinging to the glass. Look at the legs on that, as we used to say. I've been bad about the beer, by the way. Don't give me any sexist
Always
remarks
on about beer and nothing else. Right then. Oh,
that's how beer should smell.
Beer should smell, isn't it? You see now, compared to the other one, this has got everything going. There's chocolate, the roast, nice roastness to it.
Roastness,
Chocolate.
a little bit of background coffee, chocolate.
Oh yes, chocolate, definitely, yes. Shall we?
Let's go in.
Cheers, folks. Hold the front door.
Oh, shut up.
All my life.
Oh man alive, that's lovely, rich and smooth, chocolatey, slightly sweet, but the bitterness from the chocolate comes through, it all rolls together and it comes into a perfectly dark, rich mild.
I can't believe how two supposedly beers can be so different.
Oh, this is it, isn't it?
From something that basically isn't drinkable to be something that is that good.
Yeah.
That is fantastic. It's like my brother just said, it's chocolatey, it's smooth, it's rich, it's everything you want from a mild. Problem. It's too sluggable.
It is too sluggable. Basically because it's like a bar of chocolate. And just have a little bit, and you're like, I'll have a little bit more.
I found it in the end again.
I'll have a little bit more.
Yeah.
And I'll have a little bit more.
And at 5.4, it's a little bit more
Yeah.
than your normal mild, isn't
A
it?
little bit more on your mind. Before you know it, I think you're on your back.
And I'm going straight in the 10 out of 10 for me.
Definitely 10 out of 10 for me.
Fantastic, yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And don't forget, the kit here costs about the same price as that one tin kit to make.
£18.
£18. You do need a £400 kit to make it with. It takes you about 4 hours. But
Yes. Once you've got to that stage of home brewing, you know,
Difference.
and you want to do it,
the
the
difference
is
is
marked.
biblical.
Yeah, absolutely chalk and cheese.
Chalk and cheese.
Black and white. That is fantastic. 10 out of 10. Lovely. That can go on board as well then, can't
Yeah,
it?
going on the board, yeah.
Lovely. Okie dokie. I believe we've got a third beer.
We've got a third beer from the Worcester Rock Shop Bro. We've had it before, just thought I'd do it again. Was a 10 out of 10. And
I think I've actually. Oh no, I did keep it on my phone. That's all right. So here we go then. So this is Elvis Juice recipe, style recipe kit, $23.99, full grain obviously. American IPA with bitter edge, has caramel malt base with citrus overload, waves of crashing pine, orange grapefruit, rounded citrus infused IPA. Awarded 10 out of 10 by the guys at the Dog and Partridge. That's us.
there you go.
We've already done it.
I know we've already done it. So we've already done it. That was one of our favourites.
It's quite a fully punchy one, 6.5% nearly. Ooh.
We've gone 5.5, 6.5. We've gone drain cleaner.
And drain
5.5, 6.5.
So quite a lot of hops in this one. We've got Mosaic, Simcoe, Amarillo, Citra, Magnum. Only a little bit of Magnum in there, but yeah. And there are some optionals if you wanted to put orange peel and grapefruit peel in it.
I didn't. I think I probably should have done.
Okay.
Because obviously I've heard a few people say before, oh, you know, you need to stick some grapefruit peel in,
Okay.
etc., etc.
Right, yeah.
Some people even put like a pulp in, you know.
Oh, right, okay, yeah. Right, well, that is crystal clear. I can see you through it, bro.
I can see you through that. I can see your eye being done like that.
I don't know if you can get it set up on the camera. That is crystal clear.
Crystal clear, about the same colour as I was
Nice and
just. We had a
smooth
can
again.
of it the other night, and I do seem to remember it is that colour.
Wow.
Wowzer. Wowzer. Grapefruit, orange, peel, the lots
Oh,
going
it's
on
everything in
there.
it. All the citrus fruits you can think of are in there, aren't they?
Sitting on the beach with a pina colada, basically it's coming to me rain in a minute.
I tell you.
You're there.
Is that with me, Kylie? Is that next to me?
Yes. After she gets up off of me, of course.
Yeah, right. Anyway. Hey, that's fantastic. I'm going in, bro, because that smells too good not to.
Too good not to, isn't it? Oh, look at the legs on that.
Oh, shut the front door.
Oh, my life. No one would give it a 10 out of 10 before. That is like...
That's glorious.
I tell you what it is. Dangerous gear. Dangerous egg gear.
Yes, again, because it's actually really quite smooth. It doesn't punch you like a 6.5%, does it? You can, and it's so bitter on the back end, so dry, that you go, oh, my mouth's dry, I need another slurp.
You've got all the fruit explosions, the grapefruitness dries your palate out, and all you want to do is just dive back in there and have a bit more. If this was an hot day, would have been trolleyed.
The only thing, and the only slight thing I would say is it's not quite elvis juice.
No, it's not quite elvis juice. We did have a tin the other night to know what to expect. This is not quite as crisp as elvis juice. I think that's probably got something to do. I didn't put the grapefruit and the orange in.
That would be it, I think.
I still think it's 10 out of 10.
Oh, it's 10
but
out of
if
10.
I was going for a clone, exact clone, I'd probably have to knock off.
Just a little bit. But then again, maybe we should have put the optional extras in it.
Yeah. Probably do it again with the optional extras in it.
That's good stuff, that.
Good stuff, that is definitely 10 out of 10.
Now then, what I do need to rewind a little bit is, I think, what we probably might have forgot, is the dark beer. Just grab the dark beer back again, bro.
The chocolate mould, yes.
Yes, because we reviewed a beer the other week, didn't we?
Oh, we did, yes. I went round to my brewmate's Phil's. We brewed Daft Cat Brewing Daft Cat Brewing Oatmeal Stout.
Oatmeal Stout. I thought it was awful.
And I did think it got a bit of a strange tinge to it, even though I could thought it was a reasonable drinking stout. Went round to my brewmate Phil's, and it was totally different.
Oh, good.
Good different. Really good different. I could sit down, drink it, just a lovely stout taste, smooth, probably just slightly lacking in mouthfall feel, a bit watery, but completely different to mine.
So what do you think the problem was?
Looking back, I'd had the kit a while, and the yeast had gone out of date, because it did come with a liquid yeast. And so I took the different yeast in. I just had a yeast laying around, a dried yeast.
And that's obviously affected the flavour quite a bit then, hasn't
it? I think it could have even been West Coast IPAs. I thought you'd do, you know what I mean?
Anyway, so what we need to do is we need to retract our points from that, because it's obviously not right. So that's anything.
My brewmate Phil did it right. Daft Cat Brewing, oatmeal stout. Tasted absolutely bloody lovely. Not big punchiness of the oatmeal, but just a lovely stout.
Okay, so we've got 2 10 out of 10s.
Yeah.
A retraction. And drains and drain cleaner.
And a drain cleaner that was nearly as bad as England will be at the weekend.
Oh no. You see, you shouldn't mention Trump and how crap we were at rugby in the same video. It's just going to bring me down, bro.
I can bring you down. It just drove you to drink, man, I tell you.
You say that, but on the other hand, the ladies are in the World Cup final.
Oh, come on, the ladies.
So there you go.
At least we're going to arm somebody, can't we?
I haven't relied on the ladies because the men are, well, I don't want to say what the men are, but yeah, the ladies, good luck at the weekend for the World Cup final.
Wearing a red rose all week.
Definitely. Moving on, bro, shall we tell the viewers what's coming next?
And if you don't want to miss what's coming next, press that subscribe button, get over there, get done on YouTube, press it.
Right then, we've got Love Brewing Old Reptonian Ale.
Yes.
Tin kit.
Love Brewing have released a couple of new ones lately. It's a malt extract kit.
Okay.
I don't know what a Reptonian is.
A Reptonian? I'm not sure what a Reptonian is. Answers on the postcard. Worcestershire Hop Shop, a Shire Drop Best Bitter.
Yes. Shire Drop never had before, but I did find some bottles online, of all of them from down south.
Okay.
So we've got some bottles to compare.
It's not something I've had, to be honest, either.
No.
And Brewday Eureka Waka IPA. Okay.
Easy
Well,
to
that's
say.
fairly obvious what's in that then. It's got Eureka and Rye Wacker in it.
Not quite easy to say after you've had your 60
Anyway,
Anyway,
like my brother says, if you're watching us anywhere else besides YouTube, get on over there, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, do what you like. We love it.
yeah, I do appreciate the comments. I do try to reply where I can. You just keep them coming. Thank you very much indeed.
I think that's about it, bro.
That's about it. Until next time, it's a goodbye from him.
It's a goodbye from him.
Who's off? To the king.